Hi all, welcome back to YouTube channel. Let's start rebooting work using UiPath. From this week, we are going to do some new things, which is nothing but forum engagement activities. So we are going to solve the questions which been asked in the forum, UiPath forum. So previously I have answered for this particular question. So he's the one asked the question, so he was not unable to read the PDF and extract the data. So he has tried OCR and then read PDF, both the things. So we have given a solution that convert the PDF into JSON. After that, so they will be able to extract the data, so which we have provided. So as we already know that there is several service providers, so which help you to convert the PDF into JSON. So this is one of the ones, so which I have suggested. Also we have a Swagger, so which will be used in the enterprise level. Since I cannot able to access my Office video over here, so I just use some other third party sites which help you to convert the PDF to the JSON format. So usually I will just go with the Swagger, so which will give 100% accuracy along with clearance. So let's start our today's session by solving this question. So let me try with different multiple ways. Also I will just help you with the solution which I have provided. So let me go to the UiPath Studio. So already I have downloaded the PDF which he has given over there. So let me go there. So this is the PDF which he has provided. So let me go to the UiPath Studio, go to the project, refresh. So already I have the PDF over here. So usually he has stated that so he was not able to read the text from the PDF using the PDF activities. Okay, so let me try with those things as well along with that. So let me go with the our solution which we have derived. Okay, so let me check that first, so whether it was not able to read using the PDF activities. So I don't have PDF activities yet, that's why I was not able to find anything. So for that, so just go to the manage package and then all packages. So here you can search for UiPath.pdf activity, so that get your PDF activities over here. Yeah, this is the one. Try to install it up. I guess it's still setting up everything. It's taking time. I guess it is done. So let me check in the activity panel for PDF activities. So here we have plenty of activities. Okay, so let me try with the read PDF text. Okay, so this will be a first thing. So let me drag and drop. After that we can check for OCR as well. So let me try to indicate it up. Perfect. Let me try to create an output variable over here. Read PDF. Okay, and then so we are going to see this in the right line. Okay, so let me drag and drop right line, click on save and then debug. So what actually it will do, so it will read the entire PDF and it will try to provide the output. So as we already know that, so this both approach is not working. I just telling you like why it is not working. So so if it is not working, then what are the next step which you have to take care. So I just going through in those ways. So here you can see here there is no output, right? So even if you are going to try with the read OCR also the same thing, so it will not return any output. Okay, so let me try to open that PDF so that you will be knowing what actually it has. It's loading up. Yeah, so it looks like some invoice data, right? So it has some data, invoice data. So even it is semi-structured, right? So it's not entirely structured, it's kind of a semi-structured. So what actually he is expecting to extract the data from this PDF. So when we are going to use the read PDF or like read OCR, so both the things it does not return any value as you can see over here. So what will be the next step? So if you are not getting the values over there, so we can convert this PDF into JSON. So using there are several services over there. Okay, so Swagger and then Neton. So these are some services which help you to convert the PDF to JSON. Okay, so that you can able to iterate into the each and every node and extract the data which you are looking for. So let me try to show that up. So this is a service which I have used to derive solution for this particular problem. So but I will suggest you to go with the Swagger, so it will be very cool and it will give a best accuracy for you. So here what actually we are going to do, so we are going to upload our file. Okay, so upload file. After that, so it will be asking your PDF file. Okay, so let me the UiPath activities. Yeah, this is the one. Perfect. Click on OK. Perfect. So what actually it is doing now, so it is trying to read the entire PDF and trying to convert into the JSON. So also it is giving an output file where you can store and you can go ahead and check it. So let me click on save. Also you can able to see all the data over here itself. So the what are the raw data, age and everything, okay, you can see over here. So here you can also see everything got highlighted. What actually it means? So all the data has been captured. So when it is trying to convert it into the JSON, okay, so which means there is no data loss in this extraction. So let me try to open it up. Let me go to the project inside this UiPath. After that, this one. Perfect. So already we have an export. Okay, let me try to open it up. So our OneNote is loaded. You can see here, right? So all the information has been captured. You can see euro and then all the information. So RCS, you can see what are the data which is in PDF. Everything has been captured in the JSON structure in a structured format. So that is the main thing over here. Okay, so you can see plenty of information, right? Perfect. So all the information has been captured. So the very next what actually he has to do, so he has to read this text. So instead of doing all these things, what actually he has to do, initially he has to convert this PDF using some service which is Swagger or the service which I was using. So after that, so he will be getting a JSON file which is a text file. He has to read the text file using the read text activity. Once he read the text file, so he has to deserialize the particular text file, the data which is in the text file. After that, so you can able to traversal to the each and every node and you can extract by mentioning the j object as a j value. So they have to mention the j object. Based upon that, they can able to get the j value, which is the value which you want to capture. Okay, so these are the objects, so which is text, xmin, ymin, and then xmax, ymax. So these are the entire things which is in the PDF. Perfect, right? So you can also capture, so what are the hyperlink, it has been extracted, those each and every information was populated over here along with the file name. You can see the file name also here. So it's cool, right? So using this, what actually the next step, so he has to read and deserialize. After that, so he has to understand the structure, that what actually we are going to use, deserialize JSON or deserialize JSON array. So here you can see it has started with the square bracket, right? So it has started with parenthesis. After that, it started with the square bracket, which means you can directly go ahead and use in deserialize JSON, not JSON array. So if it is starting with this square bracket, okay, in those scenarios you can directly go ahead and use the deserialize JSON array. Okay, so in this way you can identify what particular deserialize activity which you are going to use. Okay, let me try to extract some data and show you how to extract the data as well. Before that, let me clear the environment. Let me clear the variable as well, which you already created. Then delete. Perfect. After that, you are going to use read text file. Help you to read the text file, and then click on this folder icon and try to indicate your export. So after that, the very next step, so Control K and then read input or something, so you can keep it up to your wish. And then, so you're going to use deserialize. So I was not able to see the deserialize activities. So what are the next step you have to do? So you have to import the particular package. Okay, so click on manage package, UiPath.web API, so that you can see the particular activity which is nothing but deserialize over there. UiPath.web activities. Yeah, you can see here web API activities. Try to download this up. Once we are done with the output variable, the very next step, so we are going to deserialize, right? So let me deserialize. So we have two kind of activity, which is deserialize JSON and JSON array. So as I said earlier, since it has starts with curly braces, so we are going to use a deserialize JSON. Okay. After that, so let me try to pass this output as an input. Okay. So as an input. After that, let me try to create an output variable. Control K, J object. Perfect. And then click on OK. So here we can see we have to traversal to Word, and then we are going to extract only the text. Okay, so we are going to, our ultimate goal is to extract only the text values now. Okay, so how to traversal to the nodes? So we are going to traversal each and every nodes. Let me try to use a for each. Okay, so for each basically help you to traversal to the each and every nodes. Okay, so here what actually you have to provide, so which is J object. After that, so what is the first node over here? What is the first array of node? Which is page data. So this is an array, right? Page data. Okay, so it's not closing anywhere, it's closing at the last only. Okay, so which means you have to indicate this page data, otherwise you will not able to reach this word. So let me try to indicate this page. Inside this open bracket, double quotes, then page data. So you have to mention the index. Since it is an array, it's a 0 first, right? So you are going to mention as 0. Okay, and the next thing, so moving to the next one. So you have covered all these things. So you are going to reach the word now. Okay, for this you can directly copy this word and then directly go here and mention over there. So let me go here and then same open bracket, close bracket, double quotes, and then mention here as word. Okay, so now you have reached the word node. So in this word node we have all the data. So in this we need only the text. So how to traversal to text now? So after that, so what actually you can do here, you can drag and drop a right line. Okay, and then item. So which particular index you are going to traversal? Text, right? So let me make it a very simple. Open bracket, close bracket, text dot toString. So here you are not able to call toString. Why? So since this for each argument is an object, that's why. So let me try to change it as newton.json.linkU.jObject. Okay, once you have changed to that, you can able to call that toString now. Okay, dot toString. Okay, so what actually it will do, so it will come to the word node. So it's actually here. After that, what actually it is going to print over here? Only the text, all the text value which is going to printed in the right line. Let us quickly save and then run and check it up. I guess you can see all the text are started printing here. You can see over here all the texts. So these are the data which need to be extracted in the PDF, right? So we are getting all the data over here itself. So likewise, you can convert this PDF into JSON. After that, you can make your extraction to get all the data which is in PDF. This will be helpful for you to extract the data from the PDF if you are not able to do those things with the PDF activity. I hope you like this session. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Have a good day.